Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1997 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. It comes with 37,326 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 4.0 liter inline 6-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. All right. This vehicle, as y'all can see, the lights did go away, so you know we did not punch them out. The number that you're seeing down here, 60,072, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 37,326. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We will start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'll be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.